Newtonian fluid is a fluid whose viscosity is variable based on applied pressure.
Food dye, water, cornstarch, and a Ziploc bag. First, need to add cornstarch into the Ziploc bag. And then after the cornstarch is added, add some water. There's no specific measurements, just go until you have the consistency that you want. If it's not the right consistency, you can add more cornstarch or more water as needed. Once it gets to the right consistency, you can add your choice of food dye. If you want, you can add more food dye to make it more of a vibrant color. Continue to mix the Oobleck in a Ziploc bag, adding more cornstarch or water if you need it. And this is what Oobleck looks like once you pour it out of the bag into a container. When the hammer hits the Oobleck with a strong and fast force, you can hear the hammer hitting it. When the hammer touches the Oobleck with a slower speed, the Oobleck acts like a jello rubbery substance. When you twirl the Oobleck around in the container, it looks like a liquid. As it runs down the side of the jar, it has a rubbery texture. When it hits the surface, it is more like a liquid again. If you cut through the Oobleck with a knife, it is more like a liquid. If pressure is added while cutting, it appears to look like a paste. You can roll the Oobleck into a ball, and if you let it sit in your hand, it looks like it is melting through your fingers. Oobleck is hard to push or scrape off the surface. When you throw the Oobleck at a hard surface like a tree, it bounces off and breaks into pieces. When it's on the ground and on the tree, it is in its liquid state again.